I love engineering, but I feel sad for some of my engineering friends. During college, they didn't use their summer for learning, so could not develop new and demanding skills. And after college, they had to struggle hard for jobs due to lack of practical skills. Some of them are still preparing for government job exams. So my point is, if you are in second year or third year of engineering, don't just spend your summer. Rather, invest it in building new skills. Learn music, dance, singing, or programming, whatever you like. Make yourself more capable. And yes, if you have interest in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things, join summer internship and AMT, training at TechTrunk Ventures. You will get an amazing learning experience in the beautiful city of Hyderabad.